What's up, guys? It's Brooklyn Cuzo hanging out on 13th Avenue. I just pulled up with this puppy. We're at the most dynamite place in Bensonhurst with my man right here. Let's go do this. You gotta see what's going on in here. We got the owner right here. Hey! How you doing? Come on, let's go. Let's go in the back. Come on. Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Guys, we got the Freestyle pumping. You gotta see this place. It's dynamite. My crew's in the back. Say hello. How you doing? Oh! Hey! Come here. Look at this guy. This is the owner right here. We're having a ball. This is his place. Hey! Come here. Look at this. What's going on over here? Hey!
What's up, everybody?
Special, baby. What's going on? How you doing, man?
Break it down, let's go.
What's going on?
What's up, brother?
How you doing? What's up, baby? Guys, you gotta come to Bensonhurst, Brooklyn. This is where it's at. This is where the Italian food is made. Right over here. This is the guy that's gonna do it to you, give it to you. This is the man that makes it happen. Look at what's going on over here. What exactly you got going on? What are you making exactly? Look at this. Guys, if you don't know about this place, now's the time. You gotta come down and eat. We got the Freestyle rocking. Look at this. We got the broccoli. What's this exactly?
Mashed shrimp and onions.
Meat. We got the onions, the mushrooms. Look at those potatoes. Are you kidding me? Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Guys, we're having a ball. You gotta come down. I'm gonna go see the owner right now. Hold on. I want you over here. Look at him. Over here. Tell them the name of your place right now.
Chef Andrea, #1 in America.
Tell them where we are right now.
13th Avenue, 74.
That's right, baby. The best Italian food that you can eat.
From Canistelle,
Where were you before this?
19th Street and Park Avenue.
Now we moved over here. The place is a ball. All we do is play freestyle. We have the best time of our life. And we hang out with all these nuts.
Get the boat.
The boat, hold on. Look at the boat. Now listen, not for nothing, I don't know who's off the boat, but this is the boat of all boats. All right? This is the boat of all boats. How you doing?